Hi everyone, this is Adedayo, and I'll be giving you tips on how to navigate the keyboard efficiently, referring to the PA5X. If you are new to the Korg PA5X, the interface can feel overwhelming at first, but in this video, I'll walk you through some of the essentials you need to know. First of all, you need to know the main screen is a touch screen. And this is where almost everything happens, whether you're selecting sounds, loading styles, editing effects, or accessing global settings. This screen gives you quick access to every major function. Now let's move on to the keyboard sets. The keyboard set is more like a performance preset, and the keyboard set stores your right hand sounds, split point effects, octave settings, and much more. Instead of building your sound from scratch every time, you can instantly recall an entire setup with one touch. Now let's go to the style section. The styles are the automatic backing band of the PA5X. Every style contains drums, bass, guitar, keyboard, strings, and other accompaniment parts that follows every chord you play. Style elements and variations. Each style is divided into 4 variations. Think of them as different energy levels for your performances. For example, variation 1 can be soft intro, variation 2 adds more instruments, variation 3 becomes fuller, variation 4 maximum energy. Now let me give you a final tip on how to increase the brightness of the keyboard. There's a shortcut of pressing the shift button and menu button and then using the navigation button to go right or left would increase the brightness. Thank you very much.